till we're down we go. Way down we go.
I think you should go out with me.
You ask me that every time.
But you never answer. You never give me your answer.
Oh, Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve.
Well, aren't you a sight for sore eyes? Here to take me up on the date?
I can leave.
No, please don't. How can I help? I'm sorry.
You have to help me. There is one group of thieves, and them are planning a heist. There is something to steal from the museum. And this is who hired them. Leon Pan the First.
These guys are professionals. Do you have the museum's catalog?
You think I didn't prepare this?
Show me the temporary items, ones they have for evaluation in the museum. Oh, this one. That's what they're stealing. The first ever bottle of Aromen essential oil. The legend says they hid a map under the label, leading to a massive treasure.
You believe in fairy tales. What treasure could an aroma company have?
The greatest treasure of all, the location of the personal warehouse, of course. The warehouse could be worth millions. That's where they keep smells like the 14,000-year-old garlic. Leon will never see the label. These guys will keep them after themselves.
A garlic. Good. We will arrest them. Thank you.
Wait. You need an inside man for this.
Oh, we have one already.
You need someone that they will accept into the heist. Someone who won't fuck it up.
You think I will let you walk out of prison after just identifying me a bottle? A bottle! You! A bottle of garlic. A bottle of garlic. I can't believe it. You'll run away. You will mess up the whole operation. You will mess up the whole operation. You can get people killed. You will help them escape. You will steal it yourself. You're gonna tell them we are coming and make it stop. Are you listening?
No one knows more about this than me. If you're so scared I'll run away, just come undercover to the museum with me. Keep an eye on me the whole time, and I get to keep an eye on you. We have a deal?
Deal. But promise you won't run.
I promise.
Fall right down to the bottom, boy with the motto, stay but I ought to leave it. Trust me, my heart bleeds, I feel everything. I drip, drop, drink out of the bottle, boy with the heart of gold, get run over by heaven knows what weary soldier. I get older, life gets colder. when the echoes fade away, in your light will find a way. Oh, I know you'll stay the same. 'Cause I'm staying.
They thought they were made for each other, only thinking of one another, never thinking just for 1 second she would take a different attraction. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. Can't go on without you, I can't go on without you, can't go on without you, yeah. I can't go on without you. So what's the point of breaking my sweetheart? She wanted me to let down my guard. Well, you know what they say, it's better that way. So you better hush and walk away. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, yeah. Oh no. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. I can't go on without you, I can't go on without you, oh love. Can't go on without you, ooh, I can't go on, won't go on living on without you.
I think you should go out with me,
You ask me that every time.
but you never answer. You never give me your answer.
You did well. You should go out with me.